and ever want to know? We're heating up as we show you how to make instant hot chocolate with an electric kettle. Here are all the materials you will need. An electric kettle, water, a mug, and a pack of instant hot chocolate. Step 1. Fill your mug with water. Step 2. Dump your water into the kettle. Step 3. Plug your kettle in and turn it on. Step 4. Pour hot chocolate into the mug. Step 5. When the water is bubbling, turn the kettle off. Step 6. Pour the hot water into the mug with your hot chocolate. Step 7. Enjoy your hot chocolate.